that you're smoking. Piece it up with this peace and love, and this peace and love like the old days. Yeah, what I am trying to say.
Anywhere, like online or a store, I use this stuff right here, the sanitizing spray, and I just do this. This is what I'm about to do. Before I put it anywhere near any of my stuff, I'm about to just spray it all, you know, because you don't know who had their hand. Port removed. Y'all wish me prayers. I want